Hi, this is Ananya here. Welcome to my channel Ankuram. Today we will be discussing about data handling. What is data? Any information such as numbers, words, measurements which we collect to know about it and to compare certain things is called data. What are the examples? Suppose performance of your class in maths. There are 40 students. What marks they obtained out of 100 for various students in maths. So temperature of various cities on a day, the highest temperature, the lowest temperature, and various cities, suppose in India. So these are all datas. Now how to handle data? Data handling. We need to collect, organize and represent that data to draw inference from it. So this is called data handling. We have to collect a few datas and we have to organize them, make a table and represent that data to draw inference from it. Now, collecting datas. Collection of datas depends on the further requirement of the data. Before collecting data, we need to know what we would use it for, how we are going to use that data in the problem. Now, what is organization of data? We need to organize data in a systematic manner so that it could be understood easily. Data should be understood easily. So generally we used to use these data in an organized and in a tabular form. For example, suppose there is an exam out of 5 marks, means out of 5, a few students, number of students who got 1 mark is 4. How many students are there in a class? Suppose 30 students are there in a class. So number of students are named as, in mathematical term it is known as frequency. So 1 mark out of 5, 1 mark is 4 students got 1 marks, 6 students got 2 marks, 5 students got 3 marks, 5 4 marks and 10 students got 5 out of 5. So number of students are there in a class is 30. See, add it, 6 plus 4 is 10, 5 plus 5 10, 20 and plus 10 30. So how will you represent it in a tally marks? What is tally? Tally means, see, this is 4, 1 2 3 4. Now this is 6. When you represent 6, 1 2 3 4, we should not represent it like 5 6. Instead of this, we used to do, this is 5 and this is 6. So counting is easier. See, 5 directly we can count it. This is 5 plus 1 6. Now here it is 5. So 1 2 3 4 and this is 5. Now here it is 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Here it is, tally means 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is called organization of datas. We have to organize the datas so that we can form a graph, any kind of graph. Now how to represent values? Representative values. There must be a particular value which represents the complete data. That is known as average. This is known as average of the data. The average lies between the smallest and the largest number. If in the previous sum we have seen 1 is the smallest and 5 is the highest out of 5 marks. So out of 5, a student can get 1 2 3 4 and maximum is 5. So 1 is 0 is also there. So we have taken the values from 1. So 1 to 5. So there is the average lies between the smallest and the largest number of data. So it is called the central tendency of the group of data. So there are 3 types of central tendency of data and they are arithmetic mean, median and mode. Now coming to arithmetic mean. The mean is the average of number of observations. It is the mean of the middle one. Mean is the average of number of observations. It is represented by x bar. This is called bar, x bar. So suppose x have the values x1, x2, x3 up to xn. There are number of observations are n. So arithmetic mean is equal to, that is represented by x bar, is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 dot 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 up to xn, and divided by number of observations. N is the number of observations here. So that is sum of observations by number of observations. Now coming to one example, suppose a batsman scored the following number of runs in 6 innings. There are 36, 35, 50, 46, 60 and 65. So what is the total run? Total run is 36 plus 35 plus 50 plus 46 plus 60 plus 55, that is 282. So what will be the mean? Total sum of the observations, that is 282, divided by number of observations. How many observations we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So divided by 6. So what will be the answer is? That is 282. (47) runs. So this is his average runs. So this is called mean. Now what is range? Arithmetic mean lies between the smallest and the largest observation. So a range is a difference between the largest and the smallest observation. So range means largest observation minus the smallest observation. This is the difference. So for example, if we take the age of 10 teachers of a school, age in years. So the ages of the teachers are 32, 41, 28, 54, 35, 26, 23, 33, 38 and 40. So amongst these, which is the highest age? Say 50, more than that? No. So 54 is the highest. And which one is the smallest age? Here 23. 23, less than 23, are there any observations? No. So 23 is the smallest one. So range will be 54 minus 23. That is 54 minus 23, that is 31 years. So this is about range. Now coming to median. The middle value of the given number of observations. Median means the middle value of the given number of observations, which divides it into exactly 2 parts, is called median. To find median, we have to arrange the data. So we have some data and we have to arrange it either in ascending or in descending order. We have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order and then find the middle value of the given number of observations. Suppose if the number of observations are odd, then we have to, the median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation. So if the number of observation is odd, then median will be n plus 1 by 2th observation, where n is the total number of observations. Now if the number of observations is even, then median will be half of n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation. So we have to take 2 observations, n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1, 2 observations, and then take the divided by 2. So that will be the median. The observations are 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 observations are there. So I have to take 7 plus 1. What we need to do? What is the formula for median? Here n is equal to 7. So there are, actually this is odd. That is odd. For odd we need n plus 1 by 2th observation. So what is this? N plus 1 means 7 plus 1 by 2. That is 8 by 2, that is 4th observation. What is my 4th observation here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is the 4th observation. So here median will be, median is 6. Now for the second case, this is A, this is B. B, how many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 observations are there. So here n is equal to 8, and which is even. For even, what we need to do? We have to take median is equal to this n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2 whole divided by 2. So what is n by 2th observation? Means n is 8, that is 8 by 2. 8 by 2 means 4th observation. Directly we can write 4th observation. 4th observation plus next one is n by 2 means 4, 8 by 2 is 4 plus 1, 5th observation. Divided by 2. So what is my 4th observation? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4 and the 5th observation is 5. So that is 4 plus 5 by 2. 4 plus 5 is 9. That is 9 by 2. 9 means 4.5. So here median is equal to 4.5. Now coming to mood. Mood tells us the number of observations which occur more frequently. The observations which occur most of the time is called mood of that group. Suppose, for example, find the mood of the given set of numbers. What are the numbers? 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 4. So we have to arrange the numbers. See, how many 1s are there? 1, 2 and 3. 3. How many 2s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, only 1, 3. And 4, 2 4s are there. 2 4s are there. So mood tells us the number of observations which occur more frequently. So 2 is the most number of frequency. See here 2 is 4. Number of observations here 4. So mood is 2 here. One more example. Find the mood of the data of scores obtained by students of class 7 in mathematics given below. Suppose 4 marks scored by 2 students, 8 marks scored by 3, 11 scored 5 students, 2 students scored 15 and 8 students scored 19. So what will be the mood? Mood will be, see, mood will be number of students. 8 is the most number of students. So 8 is the frequency here. So 8 students got 19. So 19 is mood here. Thank you. This is all about data handling.